My hood is flapping. Like flap, 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 flap in the wind. Ja. Mycket ja idag. Det blir ofta ja när det är spontant. Old man. Gubbstrutt. Här är alltid deras fotboll. Men jag har aldrig gjort det. Ska jag bara. Inte fan spelar jag fotboll eller? Snyggt. Nej, ska man spela någonting då är det hockey som gäller. Big exhaust makes it loud. The louder the car, the faster the car. Yeah, that's the logic. Ja, nu är sommaren slut. End of the summer. It's cold outside, windy, and leaves falling all over the place. So depressive. Kan inte prata svenska, engelska. Kan inte ens prata svenska, verkar som. Smack, smack, smack. Oh, this is gonna get windy. No fun, no fun. Ja, får se den här loggen blir då. Vlogg. Svengelska. Swinglish. Half English, half Swedish. Och the other way around. Still haven't fixed my mirror. Ooh, someone got pulled over. Don't know if you can see that, but someone did. Otur för den jäveln. Och så tar skogsvägen. Maybe I will take the forest, the woods, through the woods. How the wind is. That's my check. Oh, it's wind as fuck. Yeah, I'm taking the way through the woods. Ooh, don't follow me. Great from me. So fucking awesome! Säg hej till moppepojken. Nej. Därför hejar man inte på moppepojkar. Inga hej tillbaka. Bike buddy! Haha! I got away! Makes me all warm and fuzzy. This road is gonna suck. Hopefully I can get there before the rain starts to pour down on me. Roadblock ahead. Keep to the left. Keep to the right. Steady and get a view. Yes. You didn't see that, but he checked me out. For my bike. Up and up. Oh, just ja. Just ja. Jävlar också. Höll det på att gå illa. Kunde vara fullt av löv här. Nej också. Musiken stannar. jag vet inte hur jag får igång den. Skriker jag för mycket så stängs han av. Hello car. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't know why, because it's cold as fuck out here, but whee. Jävlar vad det ska blåsa. It's windy as hell. And I'm tired. I think the coffee cups made their due on my body today. And now I'm gonna go, not home, not to work. I'm gonna go to the garage and vad fan ska jag göra där? Jo, fuel pump. And lane split. Nu står vi lite på fel sida, men det skiter vi i nu. Nu ska vi köra rakt fram. Let's go straight ahead. This video is gonna be a to edit. Swedish, English, Swedish, English, Germany, Swedish, English, scream. Subtitle. Oh jävlar. Oh, no, fuck. The radio was turned on. All scrambled noise. I hate that. I'm gonna check if I can turn that feature off, the voice command stuff. It's really annoying. Jävligt irriterande. Kom igen då. Green. Yay! Lane splitting as it, not its finest, it was on the 3 cars, but hey! Oh, smells like Chinese food, like peanut butter. No, yep, peanut butter sauce and chicken. That's one big lift club. Whoop. Nice kids waving. No idea what she said.